I'm Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department in Kumar Bhatia, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science. So today's session, we will discuss about neonatal examination. So first of all, definition. What is neonatal examination? So viewing definition. So neonatal examination is looking the baby's skin, physical features, movement and reflexes. A newborn baby, we have to check first of all the physical examination. Part of examinations we have to done in 2 hours of birth, and in later on the movement and reflexes of the baby is done in 24 hours after birth. So first of all, the neonatal examination classified in 3 categories. First category is examination of gestational age. So gestational age, we have to look about preterm baby, full-term baby and post-term baby. So preterm baby is when the baby delivered in 9 months earlier, and full-term baby is baby delivered in proper 9-month gestational period, and post-term is when baby delivered in after 9 months. So this is the criteria of gestational age. And second classification of newborn examination is birth weight. So birth weight classification further divide into 3 phases. First is low birth weight, second is very low birth weight, and third is extreme low birth weight. So first low birth weight is baby weight is less than 2500 grams, means 2.5 kgs baby is called low birth weight category. Second is very low birth weight. Very low birth baby's birth is 1.5 kg or below. And the third is extreme low birth weight. Extreme low birth baby is lower than 1 kg. So this is the criteria is about low birth weight. And third criteria is for gestational age. It is 2 types: small for gestational and large for gestational. Now further we will discuss about Apgar score. When baby delivered, we have to check Apgar score. So what is Apgar score? So Apgar score is, Apgar means A for appearance. We have to check appearance of the baby. In this we have to check baby's color of skin. Now second is pulse. We have to check baby's heart rate. So we have to check pulse, and the pulse is about 140 per minute or 160 per minute. It may be differentiates. And the third is Grammys. Grammys means muscle tones. We have to check baby's muscle tone. So we check dehydration or any other diseases like. And fourth A is activity. In this A for activity, we have to note reflexes and movement. Next is R for respiration. So we have to check baby respiration proper or not. So Apgar score assess the physical condition of newborn after delivery. Apgar score we have to check at the birth in first 1 minute and then 5 minutes. And now we have to check baby in further follow-up in examination. Now further we will discuss about newborn examinations more. We have to check 4 things. That is, first is vital signs. Vital signs we have to check temperature. We have to check temperature and many more symptoms like color, any other dryness tests. Second is physical examinations. Physical signs we have to check. Third is neurological examinations, and fourth is estimation of gestational age. So when we check vital examination, we have to check temperature, heart rate and respiratory. And next is physical examination. Physical examination we have to check baby's body color, baby's skins have any others mole or any others scar, any other delivery stretch marks and many more. And neurological examinations, we have to check baby's head circumference and any other instrumental deliveries manifestations like hydrocephalus or any other cephalohematomas, something disease. And estimation of gestational age, we have to check about if baby is a small for gestational or baby has a large for gestational. Small for gestational, we have to check baby's if baby's birth weight is very low and the gestational is lower than 9 months, so we call it small for gestational. And large for gestational is that when baby are come in proper 9-month period, but they have any other deformities, then we have to or large for gestational age, baby have large in size, large in body weight, and mother have any other like gestational disease like diabetic mellitus or hypothyroidism. So that mother's baby has a large gestational period and many other diseases they have suffered. So we have to check properly in newborn examinations what the symptoms and what was manifestations has to come. So in these examinations we have to check very minutely and very properly examinations of baby. So in this session we have to properly check physical examination. We properly check weight, height and head circumference. So weight, I will tell in low birth weight, very low birth weight and extreme low birth weight. And height, length we have to check in inchi tape. So we have to check the baby's birth weight is 50 centimeter and head circumference we have to check. Head circumference of the baby is at birth is 33 centimeters and and then neurological examination we have to perform. Neurological examinations we have to check head circumference. Then we have to check if babies had microcephaly or microcephaly, and then baby have macrocephaly, then baby's head is larger than normal, and microcephaly is baby's head normal than lesser than. Okay, then we have to check baby's neck, then extremities and eyes also. And that's all for this session. Hope this short introduction about neurological examinations you like that, and